Let's face it, the YouTube homepage is still a bit of a mess. They haven't quite learned their lesson from Netflix, that less is more. So in the meantime, we have to give our audience a little help for them to find our videos using hashtags. Today, I'm going to show you how to hashtag your way to more views on YouTube. If you're new to social marketing or you just want to learn better strategies for use, this is the video for you. Hi there, my name is Stephanie Lahart, and I teach business owners, entrepreneurs, and content creators how to turn their online conversations into real-world customers. But before we get started, I want to invite you to join my online community by subscribing to my channel and hitting that little notification bell so you'll know when my next video goes live. Okay, let's start with the definition, just in case you're new here. Hashtags, often referred to with the pound symbol, are words added to your content that signify a video's category or topic. You can use hashtags on all of the social media platforms as a way of directing traffic to your content. I mean, you have awesome video content, right? And you want people to watch it. Then you need to use hashtags in all of your videos to help viewers find your video when they search for a specific hashtag. If you want to know exactly which hashtags to use, I made another video that you can use to find out how to get good hashtags for your business. You can check that out later for more details. Hashtags can help you get more views. First, they can lead people to your video from other videos that use the same hashtag. Secondly, people actually search on YouTube using hashtags as their keyword. So when you optimize your video around that hashtag, you can rank for those hashtag searches. And finally, just like with normal YouTube tags, hashtags help YouTube better understand your video content and your channel. For example, hashtags like hashtag marketing, hashtag business coach, they help YouTube algorithm understand that this video is about business growth and the channel is about business marketing. So similar channels, similar searches. For YouTube, there are two different ways to add hashtags to your videos. First, you can add hashtags to your video description. So when you do, those hashtags will be linked inside of the description. Also, the first 3 hashtags that you use in that description will show up above the video title. Second, you can also add hashtags to the title itself. And the hashtag will also be clickable. Clicks all around. Hashtags are a viewer-initiated way to direct traffic to your videos, so think about it. If a person searches for a hashtag, they are interested in the topic. And if your video covers that topic, well, the viewer will watch and hopefully keep watching your other videos and grow your channel. There are 2 ways for a viewer to actually find videos using hashtags, and here's how it goes. They can search YouTube for a hashtag using that little search bar above, or they can select the hashtag in the video title, above the video title, or in the description, and they will see results that show the videos with that hashtag on a page. All right, now with all that hashtag knowledge, you can consider yourself a hashtag savant and well on your way to achieving a #1 ranking. But okay, maybe that's a bit of an oversell, but you're definitely going in the right direction if you follow my tips on how to hashtag your way to more views. In fact, you might want to rewind this video because we went really fast. Now, if you have questions about hashtags for your specific business, please leave them in the comments. Remember, your question might be on someone else's mind as well, so ask away, build the community. People need our help. Now, I want to invite you to actually join my online community by subscribing to my channel and hitting that little notification bell so you'll know when my next video goes live. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video.